What is the value of x? There's our diagram. Let's go. One of the most important angle relationships you need to learn to look for in diagrams is vertical angles. Now, vertical angles, you're looking for an x in the picture. I don't mean the variable x, I mean the shape of an x. So you're looking for, like, look at my two pens here. You're looking for an x. Notice how the angle here at the top of my x is the same as the angle at the bottom of my x. And if I open the top angle more, the bottom angle also opens more. Those angles are always going to be the same, right? If I make this really tight and narrow, the top and bottom are both the same. If I open it up wider, the top and bottom are both the same. And by the way, look at the left and right side of the x too. Those two are the same as one another as well. However big my left is, my left, not yours, that's the same size as my right. So vertical angles are across from an x. And when you find that x in the diagram, you know you found two vertical angles, which are going to be two congruent angles. You've got to look out for that. Take a look at this diagram. We've got right here this big old X shape where we've got a straight line intersecting a straight line. And what I'm telling you is, and maybe you can see it now, however big this angle is, this angle over here has to be exactly the same size. Just play with your pens or pencils and see what I mean. It's always going to be locked in as exactly the same size. The two across from the X are going to be the same size. What that means is if I translate that into an equation, I can say that x plus 10, that angle, is equal to 78, that angle. That's what it means for those angles to be congruent. It's that their measures are the same. So x plus 10 equals 78. Well, let me ask you, what plus 10 equals 78? You probably already know it's 68. But if you want to be more technical, you can subtract 10 from the left side and you could subtract 10 from the right side. On the left side, that cancels out that 10 and we're left with just plain old x. On the right side, 78 minus 10 is, yeah, that's 68. So the question to what's the value of x, the variable, is based on our finding the x in the diagram and noticing the vertical angles. We found out that x is equal to 68, so our answer is A. And if you got it, good thinking.